Hi, Mark Toludo from Canela Software, and we make a variety of different products. So we make vision testing software, we make software for the K-12 market for health record management, and we're designing a cloud database for LiveCode developers.
Can you give me a few stats or an overview of how your vision testing software is done? Is there anything that you're able to share in terms of customers and sort of level of success?
So for success, I think we're most happy with the customer base that we have in the vision testing market. We are used by major universities from USC, Duke University, to the majority of the optometry testing schools. We're used by the military for testing the service people, VA hospitals. We have unusual customers like sports groups like Anaheim baseball and Eagle football team. And the Vatican uses our software to test the people that live in Vatican City, including the Pope. To the K-12 market, where students are being tested now in getting their vision tested through our technology. So we probably see upwards of 200,000 to 300,000 people being tested every month in the software.
Wow, that's amazing. You've been going for quite a long time. Can you tell me what it was like at the very beginning? Why did you set up the company? Where were you in your life?
It was hard. Hard financially.
Yeah.
You know, you start off with an idea and you play with the concept a little bit by coding some of it out, and you say, I can do this. And then it comes time to do the other aspects of business, and it's a challenging experience to go through.
So what were you doing before you set up Canela?
I started writing software when I was in 5th grade, programming in BASIC on an Apple II at the time. This is when I was a student, and I went through elementary school, middle school, and the passion to program was always there. And I completed high school, and at some point I decided that maybe it was time to find something to do that'd be long term, and programming went to the sideline for a little while. And I got a degree in my BA's in Spanish.
Okay.
So it's unrelated. So I thought at one point. It really does come back in later. And I started working as a teacher, a K-12 teacher. I was in elementary school.
So what motivated you to start a business? What was going through your mind? Where were you at in life?
I've always been interested in starting my own business because I felt comfortable there for some reason. Maybe it was because I could go at my own pace. And I had some ideas of projects I wanted to work on, and I wanted to be free to do them the way I wanted to do them. All the while I was still working in education, so I was being funded that way and allowed to experiment with my ideas on what I might do, and my first software was actually for the education market.